Discord is giving one-of-a-kind gifts straight for 9 days on its 9th birthday. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Yo! Discord's turning 9, and you know what that means? Presents. But not for Discord, for us. For the next 9 days, Discord's dropping legendary loot. We're talking prizes that'll level up your entire friend group's gaming experience. Free Nitro? We can't confirm anything yet, but let's just say a year of free Nitro would be the ultimate birthday gift, right? Follow Discord on social media. Show quick icons for US, Japan, France, that's where they'll be revealing all the epic giveaways, so don't miss out. When it comes out, I will make another video to update you on this. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so you don't miss out on anything.